In a world where sustainability is no longer just a buzzword but a necessity, every choice we make holds the potential to make a significant impact. Among these choices, opting for eco-friendly cleaning services stands out as a simple yet powerful way to contribute to a healthier planet while maintaining a clean environment for your home or business. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Reduction of harmful chemicals. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can pose risks to both human health and the environment. Eco-friendly cleaning services utilize natural and non-toxic ingredients, minimizing exposure to harmful substances such as ammonia, chlorine, and phthalates. Improved indoor air quality. Indoor air quality can significantly impact our health and well-being, especially considering that most people spend the majority of their time indoors. Conventional cleaning products release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, contributing to indoor air pollution and exacerbating respiratory conditions such as asthma and allergies. Safer environment for children and pets. Children and pets are particularly vulnerable to the harmful effects of chemical exposure due to their smaller size and developing immune systems. Eco-friendly cleaning services offer a safer alternative by eliminating the use of toxic chemicals that could potentially harm curious children or pets who come into contact with freshly cleaned surfaces. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Environmental benefits. Decreased water and air pollution. Traditional cleaning products often contain ingredients that can harm aquatic ecosystems and contribute to water pollution when washed down the drain. Additionally, the production and disposal of these products can release pollutants into the air, further exacerbating environmental degradation. Conservation of natural resources. Many conventional cleaning products rely on the extraction of finite natural resources, such as petroleum and minerals, for their production. Eco-friendly cleaning services, on the other hand, utilize renewable and sustainable ingredients derived from plants, minerals, and other natural sources. Contribution to sustainability efforts. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, every small action we take towards sustainability matters. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning services, you align yourself with broader sustainability efforts aimed at reducing carbon emissions, conserving resources, and preserving biodiversity. Economic benefits. Long-term cost savings. While the initial cost of eco-friendly cleaning products and services may be slightly higher than their conventional counterparts, the long-term savings can be substantial. Eco-friendly cleaning products are often more concentrated and require less product to achieve the same level of cleanliness, resulting in reduced consumption and lower overall costs over time. Increased property value. In today's real estate market, sustainability is becoming an increasingly important factor for homebuyers and commercial tenants alike. Properties that prioritize eco-friendly practices, including green cleaning services, often command higher resale values and rental rates due to their perceived value and appeal. Potential incentives or rebates. Many governments and municipalities offer incentives or rebates for businesses and homeowners who adopt eco-friendly practices, including the use of eco-friendly cleaning services. These incentives may come in the form of tax credits, grants, or subsidies designed to offset the cost of implementing sustainable initiatives. Effectiveness of eco-friendly cleaning. Myth debunking, effectiveness versus conventional cleaners. One common misconception about eco-friendly cleaning is that it is less effective than traditional cleaning methods. However, advancements in eco-friendly cleaning technology and formulations have made it possible to achieve the same level of cleanliness and sanitation without the use of harsh chemicals. Efficiency in removing dirt and germs. Contrary to popular belief, eco-friendly cleaning products are highly effective at removing dirt, stains, and germs from surfaces without leaving behind harmful residues. Many eco-friendly cleaning solutions utilize natural ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, which have been proven to have powerful cleaning and disinfecting properties. Versatility across different surfaces. Another advantage of eco-friendly cleaning products is their versatility and compatibility with a wide range of surfaces and materials. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, countertops, or glass surfaces, eco-friendly cleaning solutions offer gentle yet effective cleaning power without causing damage or discoloration. Supporting ethical practices. Fair labor practices. In addition to promoting environmental sustainability, eco-friendly cleaning services often prioritize ethical labor practices that ensure fair wages, working conditions, and treatment of employees. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning services that value their workforce, you can support a more equitable and humane cleaning industry while contributing to the well-being of cleaning professionals in your community. Use of cruelty-free and non-toxic products. Many eco-friendly cleaning products are certified cruelty-free and do not contain animal-derived ingredients or undergo animal testing. By opting for cruelty-free cleaning solutions, you can align your cleaning practices with your values and support companies that prioritize animal welfare and ethical sourcing. Supporting local businesses and communities. Choosing eco-friendly cleaning services can also have a positive impact on your local economy and community. By supporting local businesses that offer eco-friendly cleaning services, you can keep your pounds circulating within the community, create jobs, and foster economic growth. Choosing the right eco-friendly cleaning service. Researching companies. When selecting an eco-friendly cleaning service, it's essential to conduct thorough research to ensure they align with your values and meet your specific cleaning needs. Look for companies with a proven track record of environmental stewardship and a commitment to using sustainable practices and products. Evaluating certifications and eco-friendly claims. Certifications and eco-friendly claims can help distinguish genuine eco-friendly cleaning services from those that engage in greenwashing or misleading marketing practices. Look for certifications from reputable organizations, which certify products and services that meet rigorous environmental standards. Asking the right questions. Before hiring an eco-friendly cleaning service, don't hesitate to ask questions about their cleaning practices, product formulations, and commitment to sustainability. Inquire about the types of ingredients used in their cleaning products, their approach to waste reduction and recycling, and any additional eco-friendly initiatives they may have in place. Tips for maintaining a clean and eco-friendly space. DIY eco-friendly cleaning solutions. In addition to hiring eco-friendly cleaning services, you can further reduce your environmental footprint by making your cleaning products using simple and natural ingredients. Ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils can be used to create effective and eco-friendly cleaning solutions for a variety of household surfaces and materials. Minimizing waste and plastic use. Reducing waste and plastic use is an essential aspect of maintaining an eco-friendly cleaning routine. Opt for reusable cleaning tools and accessories such as microfiber cloths, sponges, and mop heads, which can be washed and reused multiple times. Additionally, choose eco-friendly cleaning products that come in recyclable or biodegradable packaging to minimize waste and promote a circular economy. Regular maintenance routines. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a clean and eco-friendly space. Implementing regular maintenance routines, such as daily tidying, weekly cleaning, and seasonal deep cleaning, can help prevent the buildup of dirt, dust, and grime while reducing the need for harsh cleaning chemicals. Focus on preventive measures such as using doormats to trap dirt and debris, wiping down surfaces regularly to prevent mold and mildew growth, and addressing spills and stains promptly to minimize damage. Making the switch to eco-friendly cleaning services offers a multitude of benefits, from safeguarding your health and protecting the environment to saving money and supporting ethical practices. By prioritizing eco-friendly cleaning, you not only create a cleaner and safer living or working environment, but also contribute to a more sustainable future for generations to come. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.